In today's video, I will show you a feature in Claude that almost nobody uses, but it can completely change how your conversation feel. So inside Claude, look at the bottom left corner of your prompt area. So you will see this plus icon. And if you click on it, it will open this menu. And from here you have different options. And one we are looking for is a use a style. So when you hover your mouse on it, it will give you a couple of options. And the first one is normal. So this is the default Claude mode. And this is best for everyday questions, brainstorming, casual chats, and when you don't need a specific tone, all right? So the next one is learning. This one focuses on helping you understand things step by step. So it's best for learning new topics, asking, explain like I'm new to this, or breaking down complex ideas into simple pieces. All right, next one is concise, and this is a no fluff mode. So quick answers, summaries, decisions. So basically when you don't want like long explanations. Next one is explanatory, and this is deep dive mode. So when you want full breakdowns, step-by-step reasoning, or more context and examples. And the last one is formal. So this is the professional one, and it's best for emails, reports, LinkedIn posts, and anything that needs to sound professional, all right? All right, so now we can try some examples and you will see the difference between those styles. So firstly, I will go with the concise mode, and let's say I can add like explain how solar panels work, right? And after the prompt, Claude created this concise answer. So you can see now firstly 2 sentences, then some picture, but you can also see some short paragraph under the picture. So now we can move to second style. Let's say we can switch to formal. I'm gonna ask again, explain how solar panels works. Right, I'm gonna paste again, enter this prompt. And now it should be more formal. So it created same picture as in the first one, but you can see the text is more like formal. All right, so now we can try it. Let's say we can try the explanatory one, and I'm gonna type again, explain how solar panels work. And from the beginning, I can see that this is like really detailed explanation or answer. So we are starting with the atom. So this is good for full breakdowns, step-by-step reasoning, or more context and examples. All right, so this you can see this is like really detailed, and that's basically how you can use styles in your Claude. So this is it. All right, if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.